Good morning student, welcome back to the online classes for Triveni Memorial School. Today we will be starting our 17th chapter in your environmental studies for class 3rd, that is keeping healthy and fit. So we are going to discuss what are the various good habits that you should inculcate in your daily life so that you will remain fit and healthy. So let's begin here over here. So you can see here the good health keeps us active, strong and fit. So good health is responsible for keeping you active. It makes you strong as well as fit. We should always follow the rules for good health as well as hygiene. So there are basic rules which we must follow. What are the various rules? We will discuss here. Keep yourself clean, that is your first rule. Second one is you have to exercise daily. The next is have good food habit, and the fourth one is sleep well. So we are going to discuss about these 4 rules in detail. So let us take a look at keeping clean. So what are the various ways in which you can keep your body as well as yourself clean? So let us understand. We should always keep our body clean. So this is very important to maintain personal hygiene. So for that you have to clean your body regularly. And what are the various rest of the ways which we can inculcate is we should brush our teeth in the morning and at the night every day. It keeps our teeth healthy. To keep your teeth healthy, what practice you can do, that you have to brush twice a day, early morning when you get up as well as before going to the bed at the night. So what is this going to do? Ultimately it will lead you in your healthy teeth. Now next is we should wash our hands before and after every meal. So whenever you are having meal, then before that as well as after having a meal, you should wash your hands properly. The next is we should comb and oil our hairs properly. So this is to look neat and tidy. What you have to do, you have to comb your hairs regularly. The next is we should always wear clean clothes. Now another one is we should clean our nose with a clean handkerchief. So always use a clean handkerchief. Because if you use a dirty handkerchief, there are a lot many germs which are not visible through our naked eyes, and if that goes inside your body, definitely you will fall sick. So always clean your nose, wipe your hands or face with a clean handkerchief. The next is we must keep our nails short and clean. This is also related to your health only. Your nails must be cut short as well as they should be clean, because with those hands you eat the food, keep that in your mouth, and therefore germs should not go inside your body in your stomach. So otherwise it will you will fall sick. So that is why it is said that your nails must be short and clean. The next rule, that was exercise daily. So exercise over here, it is good to exercise every day. Exercise keeps us fit and healthy. So as you can see, exercise are very important. So your physical exercise, your physical fitness depends on your various exercise that you have to perform regularly. So playing various outdoor games that we play outside our home, like your cricket, hockey, whatever games which are played in an open ground, those are outdoor games. So these playing outdoor games keeps us healthy as well as makes us strong. Next is we should go for a morning walk daily. So make this a habit that when you people get up early, you should go for a morning walk. And the third one over here is we must sit, stand and walk in a correct posture with our back straight. So always make this a habit that while you are sitting, standing or even walking, your body posture should be always in a correct manner. Your back should always be straight like this. You can see this child and this girl is walking, he is sitting and studying, so their back should be always straight. Okay. The third rule for keeping in a good health and a good hygiene is making good food habits. So what food you should eat is your cereals, pulses, green vegetables, fruits and milk. They should be part of your daily food. That is the food that you eat daily, that is your diet. So these all things should be included in your diet, and they should be in proper quantity, so that is considered as a balanced diet. As well as while eating all these healthy food items like your green leafy vegetables, fruits, and drinking milk regularly, one more thing you have to inculcate here is that you have to drink lot of water, plenty of water, because this will keep you hydrated and it will makes you healthy. Now we must have our meal at a fixed time every day. So in the morning breakfast, in afternoon the lunch, and in the night the dinner, their time must be fixed every day. Okay, don't change that schedule unnecessarily if it is unavoidable. So we should not eat too much of fried food and sweets because it makes us fat. So this should be avoided, the fried food as well as sweets, because this ultimately leads to fat, or it can lead to obesity also, and obesity leads to various other diseases. So say no to what we should avoid, to chocolates, the sweets, the toffees, as well as the cold drinks. So these things you should avoid. Then what should we not eat? The uncovered food. The food which is not covered, you should not consume that, as well as the stale food that is not fresh. And the last one, the food that is bought from the roadside vendors, because they don't keep good hygiene. So we should avoid eating the food, because if we eat such type of food, the uncovered food, the stale food, or the food we buy from a roadside vendor, this is going to make us sick. Now the last rule, that is your sleep well. So our body need rest. We cannot work continuously for 24 hours, so we require rest. And we must go to sleep early. You should sleep early, you should wake up early. So there are approximately 8 to 10 hours a day. In the night you should sleep, because sound sleep is required, and you must sleep for at least 8 to 10 hours. Then we should never cover our face while we are sleeping. You can see here, this is a good habit, sleeping early and get up early. Now we must keep ourselves healthy, fit and active. So these are the things which we have understood from this chapter. Now moving on to the exercise part. So first multiple choice question is, if our hair is dry, we should apply what? We should apply soap, oil or water. So we should apply oil. The next is, we must sit with our back straight. That I have told you, correct posture is required. The next is, if fill in the blanks, we must keep our nails short as well as clean. The next is, we must clean our nose with a clean handkerchief. You should always use a clean handkerchief. The food purchased from a roadside vendors can make us sick. Okay, it can cause various diseases. So now you have to choose the odd one out from the given options. So brushing teeth, washing hand, cricket, and taking a bath. So these all are, this can make you keep yourself clean, but cricket is an odd one out. The next is milk, chair, fruits, and eggs. So these things you should include in your diet. The chair is odd one out. The next is nail clipper, mud, towel, and a handkerchief. So this also things are utilized so that you can clean your body regularly, keep your good hygiene, but mud is odd one out. Now you have to take a look at these pictures and what are these children doing. So let us understand. First of all, this girl, she is washing her hand. The next one, you can see this girl is cleaning nose, and the third one, this boy is brushing teeth. Now the section B of the exercise, a multiple choice question. We must sleep for at least, I told you, 8 hours. We must clean our nose with our handkerchief, a clean handkerchief. Now your very short answer question, how many times we should brush our teeth? Twice. Once you get up early in the morning and before going to bed at night. Which type of diet protects us from the disease? A balanced diet which include all the various green leafy vegetables and fruits, milk, cereal, pulses in right quantity. Now next is your short answer question. Write 4 rules which we should follow for a good health and good hygiene. So we have understood that with the help of the video. So here you can say the first rule is, keep ourselves clean, keep your body clean, exercise regularly daily, have a good food habit, avoid fried food and sweet and stale and unhealthy food. The next is sleep well, take a nap of 8 hours every day. The next is describe 4 good food habits. What are the 4 good habits? That we must eat a balanced diet, The next is we must drink plenty of water. The next is we must not eat the food from the roadside vendors. Avoid that. We must not eat too much of fried food as well as sweets. So we should avoid these things. Now your last is your long answer question. So let us take a look. Write 3 ways to keep ourselves clean. In 3 ways how you can clean yourself. So those are brushing our teeth twice a day. Next is washing our hands before and after every meal. And the last one is keeping our nails short and clean. So these are the various ways in which we can keep ourselves, our body fit, and we can stay healthy. So just go through the video once again, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.